5 seconds to go. Start. It is punishable under section 397 IPC. It is submitted that it is a settled law that the term offender is confined to the offender who uses any deadly weapon. It is submitted that use of deadly weapon at the time of committing robbery cannot attract section 397 IPC for the imposition of the minimum punishment on another offender who had not used any deadly weapon. Heavy reliance is placed on the decisions of this court in Shri Phul Kumar versus Delhi Administration 1975 1 SCC 797 para 5 and 6 and Dilawar Singh versus State of Delhi 2007 12 SCC 641 para 19 to 22. It is further submitted by learned counsel appearing on behalf of the accused Ganeshan that as such original accused Benny has been acquitted by the court wide judgment dated 15th November 2018. It is submitted that it is a settled law that if the allegations made against the accused and the other accused persons are one and the same, then they are indivisible and inseparable in nature. The benefit of acquittal of a co-accused should be extended to the other accused persons as well. It is submitted that as per the prosecution case, A1 to A5 were involved in the case. It is submitted that even the PWs could not identify and point out who beat PW1 and PW2. It is further submitted that even otherwise the injury caused to PW1 and PW2 are simple in nature. It is submitted that as per the medical records, the injuries caused to PW1 and PW2 are simple injuries, which is evident from the testimony of PW10 Dr. R. Ilengoven. It is submitted that there is no possibility of any dangerous weapon being recovered in the present case and therefore section 397 IPC cannot be pressed into service. It is further submitted that according to the prosecution, the number of accused persons involved in the present case was 5 persons. It is submitted that all the prosecution witnesses stated that number of accused persons involved was not more than 3 accused persons. It is submitted that only in a case where 5 or more than 5 persons commit or attempt to commit a robbery, it would be dacoity. It is submitted that it is more of an aggravated form of robbery and generally the robber is armed with deadly weapons. It is submitted that even in the present case, even the prosecution is not sure about the number of accused persons involved in the present case. Therefore, the learned trial court framed charge under section 397 IPC alone, despite charge sheet filed under sections 395 and 397 IPC. Stop.